Hi, this is Tracy from We Craft at Home, and what I wanted to do is just to show you a short video of how to get We All Love. Let me just get this one up. This is done with the I Love Glitter font, where you can get hearts and things in it, and we all love it, don't we? So I've just found a way of getting the letters to use straight onto Scan and Cut. So I thought I'd share it with all of you, and then I'll do another video of the actual card I'm doing, but I just wanted to show you. So I didn't know this, so I'm presuming not everyone else did either. If you come down to your search bar at the very bottom of your computer, this isn't in my screen, sorry. Let's see if I can get it in. This down here, and you're looking for character map. So there it is up there. See, character map. If you click on that, it brings this up. See, I've already had it on there. So what you do, you choose the font that you had. Obviously, I Love Glitter is, I'm using that because I think it's the most common one that everyone likes to use. Then what you have to do is click on Advanced View and make sure that box is clicked. And then you've got Character Set Unicode, and go to Unicode Sub Range at the bottom there. Click on that, this little box comes up, and if you go down to the bottom it says Private Use Characters. If you click on there, then all the little characters that come with it, with the hearts in the middle and things like that, it all comes up. I know it's really tiny to see, but if you click, it brings it up bigger, and whatever one you want, you then click select like that, and it goes on there. You choose as many characters as you want. So we've got that one. Let's do 2 hearts, so we'll select that as well. And then what's this one? Heart on the end. And then obviously you've got the other way round, so you've got like front end and back end, like the what I've added on to the word Christmas here. You selected all that, and then you click copy. Okay, and once you've done that, we can close these, and you just click text, click on there, and do Control V, and there they all are. And then it's in text, so there's I Love Glitter. If you know any others that have got them special characters, you do the same thing. You just pick the font you want, and then you do have to divide it, and obviously once you divide it, it is not text, but it's the shapes you want. So they're all separate now, and you can use them as you would want to. So like here, I've added these onto the Christmas so that I can make it pretty for Christmas. I've got these as well, you can add them on. So any that you want to use, you can now add in to use as vinyl in a much easier way than we used to, because I used to have to go into Inkscape and then bring it in. So that's a lot easier. I hope that helps you all, and like I said, I will be using it in this video. So have fun, guys.